We based our project on an extension of PA1 Bayes filter. In order to further enhance the accuracy of the localization algorithm, we added an extra sensor which we called the color sensor. In the configuration file, you can see that we added a color map and a prob color correct. The color sensor works by having each cell either painted blue as B or red as R. And the color sensor has a probability of P, which in this case would be 0.9, reporting the correct color. But with the probability 1 minus P, in this case it would be 0.1, it will return the opposite color. Which means if the cell is red, with probability 1 minus P, it will return blue, and vice versa. On the right side here, you can see is the solution we ran after we ran PA1, with the grid cell represent the map, and P represent the highest likelihood in the likelihood field map. On the left side here is the solution that we have for our final project, which is an extension of PA1 with color sensor, with P standing for the highest probability in the likelihood field map, and S stands for the second highest probability in the map. Also on the bottom, we have the robot's true position in order for us to gain insight into how each of the map compare to each other. Let's move on to move 1. After move 1, neither of the filter correctly predicted where the robot is, as the robot is at position 3-2, and none of the filters correctly predicted that. Let's move on to the next move. On move 2, the highest probability in both filters did not predict where the robot would be at, which is at 3-3. However, in the color sensor, with second highest probability in the likelihood field map, just after 2 moves, it already correctly predicted where the robot is. Let's move on to move 3. After move 3, PA1 did not predict where the robot would be at, which is at 0-3. But with color sensor's help, our filter was able to determine where the robot is, which is at 0-3, with 77% certainty. Let's move on to move 4. After move 4, both filters correctly predicted where the robot is with the highest probability. However, with PA1 it is only 81% certain compared to 91% certain just after move 4. After move 5, both of the probability goes up, as they still correctly predict where the robot is, but it is still around 11% difference in certainty, with color sensor having the edge. The last move, as we can see, both the probability goes down. However, the one with color sensor beats PA1's prediction by 27% certainty. Due to this, we can conclude that PA1's with color sensor extension was able to more accurately predict where the robot is in less moves and higher probability.